Bum, bum. Why am I always doing these things at night when I should be doing other things? Yeah, I don't know. Today we are tackling closet, I believe 3 out of 7. The reason I picked this closet up here is because we have already done the other 2 closets in the hallway. This is the 3rd closet in the hallway, so why not get it done so that I can move on to bigger and more crowded things, because oh my god, there's so much stuff in this house and time is just like crunching in on me, okay? The other day my son put into words how many days until summertime. Now I don't actually have like a move-in date or anything like that, but like to the summertime it was like 60 days. Now it's less. Yeah, I'm freaking out a little bit, but we're just gonna keep doing little by little, and what we don't get done, we will cross that bridge when we get there, right? Right. Just keep telling myself positive thoughts. This closet, I don't think is going to be a lot of donations. I mean, maybe, but I don't really know. It's a lot of bedding. It's a lot of medicine. It's going to be a lot of trash and a lot of cleaning because those shelves are disgusting. So I don't expect this to take too terribly long. Famous last words. As usual, I have my Scooter's coffee. I don't have a problem. I do. It's okay. Oh, we're gonna need a trash bag for this one. Thank you, my son.
You are welcome.
Go, race. All right, don't fall. So most of this stuff is my sister's crafting supplies. They're just here because we do a lot of the crafting at my house. So honestly, there's not a lot for me to go through. I don't really have a good storage for this though. This is kind of what it is. So maybe I just need to look into that. But to be honest with you, this is like all the crafting stuff I have. There are these little boxes right here. I think I just need to find a better storage place for them. So I'm not going to really worry about these right now. They don't take up too much of my space. I mean, we use, like, I went through the paints this year when we were doing a Halloween craft. So I know that they're pretty good. So look, the bottom shelf is done. Hold on now. We'll clean all of that once I get all of this out, because like I said, this is going to be gross. All right. Oh, I put this up here. Always keep the sling. You never know when a sling is going to come in handy, right? Right. Like I said, I don't think a lot of this will be donate. We use most of this stuff. It just needs organized and cleaned. These are mine. Do I actually want them? Sheets are kind of a hard thing to give away because you never know, like, when you're gonna need extra sheets, like if the kid's gonna be sick, or these are good sheets. We'll keep them. We don't need to get rid of good sheets. See, this shelf isn't like super dirty though, so we'll just move along and go on this one, huh? Anybody know how to fold these? Are you ready? X's, mine, Kelly's. We are flying through this. This next one's gonna be a little more difficult though. Oh God. Okay, so I just know that a lot of this is going to be expired and trash probably. It's a lot of medicine. For what reason? This is like the second shelf of medicine too. There's this much left in it and it's marked. So if it's marked, I'll throw the boxes away because some of them aren't marked though. Okay, I'm just gonna go through this real quick and check expiration dates. And if the pills, like if there's a few in a box, I'll check them. If they're marked, I'll take them out of the box and toss the box. If not, we'll keep them. So let's just bust through this, shall we? Hey, what? Okay, that's fine. keep going. This is all the same nasal spray. Why did we have 5 boxes? I guess it was a really rough allergy season last year, okay, because this is a lot. But they don't expire, so we're going to keep them. Game plan for reorganizing these. I think I'm going to do overflow medicine in here. So like this Miralax that we've got, these aren't things we use often. And these buckets are used for things we don't use often. And then we have a shelf for like the easy to grab, easy to see, not out of sight, out of mind things. Like this, it should be used soon, right? So that will go up there. Oh, I had my son grab me baggies because I have like 800 Alka-Seltzer thingies. But you know what? I'm still gonna put these in baggies because they just flew out of the box all around there. So let's do that. See? Now you can see what's in there. Keep it in my noggin. My son got allergy tested. We live in Nebraska, and what they literally told him was, well, you are allergic to Nebraska. We're like, oh, perfect. I don't even think I need to write on this because it literally is just all of the allergy stuff. With old prescriptions that haven't expired, but you just don't take them anymore, what do you guys do with them? I tend to keep them in case I need them until they expire. I guess I don't keep all of them. I don't know. Let me know what you guys do with them. These are all allergy medicines, you guys. I don't know why this is cracking me up. And I literally just bought one more allergy thing yesterday because I thought that we were out of allergy. This is why you organize stuff, so you know what you have and you don't overspend on things. Oh, I was going to tell you guys. So these are little like temporary tattoos. If you notice, it looks very similar to this. If you put it on, it would be the exact same, right? I took a picture of the moon. Mine wasn't as good as like this one person's. If I can find it, I'll just pop it up here. But this is actually like the little star right here is Venus. And it like lined up perfectly with the tip of the moon. And as soon as I saw that, I knew that I needed it as a tattoo. So my ex's mom actually made these for me so I could put them as temporary tattoos to see where I wanted them. And then that's how I ended up with this. I went with the starburst right here instead of the dot just because I think it would look better. Because I also have like a mole right there, so it might just look weird. But I just like, I love the moon. I love everything it represents. And the fact that it's like lined up perfectly. And then it also kind of looks like a semicolon for like suicide awareness, because that's how my son's father passed away. So yeah, just fun random story. And I'm not sure why these were in with the medicine, but I'll put those in my room. That looks much better. So this is also a lot of random stuff. We've got sinus medicine and candles. Who doesn't love keeping those together? Allergy relief and cuticle remover. These, I believe, friends, are what we call, what are they called? Not doom boxes. What are the ADHD boxes called? Where you just put stuff in boxes and you just leave it. Are they doom boxes? I think so, but that's what these basically are. I see a box, I throw stuff in it. I don't care what's in it, where it goes, whatever. This is empty. There's nothing. Sometimes I get so annoyed with myself. Oh, ibuprofen. We actually have something other than allergy medicine. Allergy medicine. Allergy medicine. That goes in this one. This is overflow. Wart remover. Paper tape. Heat wrap. Betadine. Rock tape for when my knees hurt. I don't know how many this is. We're never going to use all this. I mean, let's talk about this next part of the box because it's all candles and Scentsy stuff. So I'm trying to stay away from like the Scentsy stuff, the Bath and Body Works stuff. It doesn't make me feel great. It's not great for us, right? I have a lot of it. So like I struggle with the fact that I spent money on it and I like it, but it doesn't, like I don't want to use them as much. And I have a lot of candles that I've shown you guys, right? Let's just talk through this real quick. Yeah. It's so strong. They're all so old too. Do these expire? I'm sure they do. Oh, that's like sweating. Yeah, that's like sweating. That's probably not. Okay, this might be just a little bit easier than I thought, to be honest. This one's mint and bergamot. We'll keep that one because it's fresh. Some of them I like remelted. Like I melted and I would pour back in here, which I don't think you're supposed to do. It's not that big of a deal if they get tossed, Libby. It's fine. It's just, see, like this one, like that's melted. And why have I been keeping all of this if it's not good? Like that, like see? Okay, this will be easier than I thought. All right. Ooh, that's fresh. Lemon basil. Yeah. That smells like baby diapers. The next question is, do I keep it in this box? Yes. I know some of you guys have asked me. Also, thank you so much for all of your amazing comments. I appreciate every single one of them. I read all of your comments. I am not able to respond to every single one, but just know if you comment, I read it because I appreciate you. Somebody had said that if I find organizational systems that work for me, to let you guys know. I am the most non-creative person and the most unorganized person. But if I can find something that works for me, because of that reason, I will share it with you. Because if it's something that works for me, it could work for anybody, okay? Okay, so let's repack this box and move on to our shelf. Look at those. Those look so much better. All right, next on the list is this hot mess. That is like beyond sticky. So I have a few cleaning options, this and then this. So like this crap is amazing. I have to tell you, I bought this, oh, I don't know, it was like $5 and I bought it like not that long ago. It works amazing. I use it in the kitchen all the time. This isn't an ad for the pink stuff, but like it might as well be. I really enjoy it. But then this stuff too, I got at Marshall's or TJ Maxx, one of the two. And I mean, it's a kitchen refresher and odor eliminator. It's not like super like cleansing, but I mean, I really like it and I like the smell of it. So, but let's see if we can get this clean. I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little bit afraid to use the pink stuff on this surface because this is kind of an abrasive like scrub, but I don't know, friends. I think that's what I'm gonna go with because I don't really feel like scrubbing it that much. Can you hear how my hand is sticking to it? Perfect. Okay, let's clean this because ew. I like how I must say I'm afraid to use it and then I just go full bore. All right, so I just have warm water here. Just wipe this off. Just take a clean washcloth from up here, shall I? Maybe. Let's see how it did, friends. Ooh. No sticky. That worked great. Like I said, this is not an ad at all for this. I just really like this product. First off, it's cheap. This was like $5. I've used like that much of it, and I've had it for about a month and a half now. I really enjoy it. So yeah, I'll link that in the description for you guys. That difference is stunning. We got this for the bathroom, but then it literally never fit on the bathroom wall. So I'll ask him if he wants to keep it. If not, it's probably just gonna get, yeah, it can still be donated. Yeah, we'll donate that. That's gorgeous. Oh, it's broken. We'll keep it though because we can just get a new chain for it. Anybody else? Can you hear this? Microfiber. Hey there. Now that I'm looking at this, it would make so much more sense for all of that to be up there and then have, like, when I get done with the towels, put the big towels, hand towels, washcloths right there so everyone can easily grab them, huh? All that, just one trash bag. We can fit more, so we will. It's all cleaned up. It's all good to go. I'm in my jammies, ready to go to bed. Thanks, guys, for joining me again. I have to say, that was one of the easiest declutterings that I have done is that closet. It took no brain power to do that. Look at an expiration date. Yes, no. Have we used it? Does it look gross? Is it sticky? Like, no clothes, nothing to overthink, nothing to get emotional about. That was a nice little reset. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one. Yes, that is another orange peel. I really love bedtime oranges lately. So see you in the next one. Bye.